You seem quite nice for a girl with good looks, and I'm the kind of fella that'll make you feel better when your life gets shook. So give it a chance, according to your plans. I bet I'm not number one on your list to kiss, but please understand. You seem quite shy, but you're oh so cute. And I'm the kind of boy that would love to be yours if you'd ask me to. So give it a chance, try to hold my hand. I swear I'll never let go, just to let me know, and I'll be your man. I really want to come out and tell you, oh darling, I love you so. If you'd ask me for my heart, there's no way that I'll say no. Oh darling, just take a chance please, so we can stay together till hell starts to freeze. You seem quite right for a boy like me, and I wanna know, would you treat me well, or would you treat me like a king? I'd like to show you and make you see that although we're different types, we were meant to be. I really want to come out and tell you, oh darling, I love you so. If you'd ask me for my heart, there's no way that I'll say no. Oh darling, just take a chance please, so we can stay together till hell starts to freeze. So I gotta ask.
那当时想说塞保特瓶是一来是要提倡环保，二来就是想说可以增加它做的结构性，不然怕如果单单只有亚克力板的话会承受不了，它就会走。
今天好，
就是有主题啦，不是只是美丽，兼具的实用性。